if we get something good here. All right, so we get someone. We're playing a 2352. Let me go ahead and do, no, let's try something. All right, let's do it. G3. Now, let me see how you guys are seeing this. I think you're seeing it well. Okay. Scotch. I keep forgetting the Scotch. I should have played before. All right, so let's keep it cool. Okay, let me ask him what they're going to do. They're going to go back most likely. Most likely. And now we just go pawn to e4. All right, so 94, interesting, 100%. Knight c4, knight b3. All right, let me go with knight b3. Opening up my bishop. And now I think, oh, no, we cannot. c4, c5 would be interesting. All right, let me do this. Claim the center, and now c4, c5 is in the air. And they know it. Right, guys, that's it. We can lose now. We got a pawn. I mean, that looks like a free pawn. Notice that this is not going to work because of knight b7. But let's see. Now, sorry that I'm playing fast. It's just the last game just to get someone around the 2400 rating. So let's see. The pin remains anyway. What about this? Let's see. Now I'm thinking of something like g4. Yep. Now, guys, you know, a very interesting strategic move is c6. If they take, that bishop is gonna be buried back there. But they could always go back here. But anyways, now c6 and then 95 or 95 first. Well, I wish I knew the answer, guys, but I don't. So I'm gonna play like a. Now don't forget, we're hitting in so many directions. Now knight f7, we gotta look into it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. c6, there has to be something good here. Now I wish what to do. c6, okay, c6, b takes, queen takes. That's a nice pin, but it's not gonna lead too much. Knight f7, if I could make it work. Knight g6. d5, pawn takes, takes. Go for the kill. No. We cannot get ahead of ourselves, guys. Okay, we got 1 minute. I cannot forget that. Okay, so you know what? This looks like a little bit inconsistent, but okay, so let's go with this. Let's go with this. All right. Now, let's see if we can do something about this. Let's try this. I know, guys, f6 is in the air, all of that is in the air, but now let's try to do a rook lift. We have talked about rook lifts so many times in our lessons that we gotta honor him. So if f6, I'm thinking take and then move the bishop back, 2 squares away from the knight, don't forget that, to keep the knight at margin. But let's see. Yeah, but you know how many times I've been in these situations and then I blow them, especially with time pressure. Don't forget, guys, this 2400s, Actually, anyone above, or anyone, is gonna get you in trouble in time pressure. Okay, so what is that? Okay, so knight b6, no. 19 seconds. Now guys, king h1, simple. I need to bring the rook. The only piece that is not helping at all is that rook on a1. So if I could bring it into the king side, that would be nice. Now, knight taken with bishop, not a good idea. Okay, so he's preparing to evacuate. Okay, do we have anything here? Come on, man, we gotta have something here. 13, take. There has to be something here. Take. You see, this is what you don't want. You don't want to get into time pressure with these positions, because then you're gonna get checkmated. That was not nice. Oh, 96 will have been the move. Knight will have been the move. Oh. Okay, let me try this. Okay, what is this? Oh, I see a good move. Oh no, he has the bishop. Ah, I should have pinned. Okay, 7 seconds. No need to rush. He's still in trouble. Rook g8 is in the air, so what's he gonna do about it? Rook g7, rook g8. No, wait. Here we go. And now rook g7. Good. Okay, that's a check. Good. Is he gonna resign? No. Now guys, we gotta use their time to think. If he takes, we take with the queen. Okay, this is now finished. Don't forget, there's a pin. All right.